My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at this 40-volt battery-powered lawnmower. And in fact, there's a whole range of these to suit your needs. Let's talk about the advantages. First of all, there's no cables. We're not governed by how long our extension lead is on our lawn. We can take it long distances from our property to mow small areas of lawn, so that's absolutely great, no cables. And of course, it's low noise being battery-powered, so we're not going to annoy those neighbours at 9 o'clock mowing the lawn on a Sunday morning. Another great advantage is it's very lightweight, so it's easy to transport and move from A to B. Again, it's really easy to maneuver, which is absolutely brilliant. Minimal setup. We haven't got to put engine oil in, fuel in, all that sort of thing. Basically, out of the box, assemble the handles, that's it, job done. Being a battery one, it's easy to use. We basically, as long as we got the battery charged on, we can pull the lever, away it goes. So that's it. That's the 40-volt battery lawnmower. And of course there is another advantage. Well, the other advantage, the batteries and the charger are all the same for our other 40-volt range of tools. So here I happen to have a hedge trimmer, and of course I've got a leaf blower as well. So we've got universal multi-fit batteries with a 40-volt range. Petrol-powered lawnmowers. First of all, our petrol mowers have brilliant Hyundai engines, and of course they're far more powerful than battery or corded equivalents. So this particular model is a 430mm cut lawnmower with a self-propelled function as well, so it does drive itself along. And our range starts at 400mm and ends up right at the top of the range with a 560mm mower. So they come in roller mowers, electric start, non-electric start, self-propelled, non-self-propelled. There's a whole range. Just visit our website to see how extensive it is. You're not tied by a cord. There's no restriction on the length or distance you can go, other than the amount of fuel you can carry in your fuel can. Corded lawnmowers. So this is our 3800E model, and I'm going to talk about the advantages. No petrol, no oil. It's a corded electric lawnmower. No pollution. We're not going to annoy the neighbours on a Sunday morning because of the lack of noise, or far less noise than a petrol lawnmower. Another advantage, well, of course, they're really lightweight, easily maneuverable. You can roll them around, you can get around corners. Nowhere near the weight of a petrol mower. So again, minimal setup with these machines, which is great. There's no putting oil in, putting fuel in, no messing about, no having to learn how to use a primer and all that sort of thing. So they're really easy to use. And of course, another advantage is these are backed up by a full UK service and parts supply. Finally, they all come with a 3-year warranty. I do hope you found this useful. I've been Adrian. Thanks for watching.